Hello, good morning. My name is Dennis, a student of Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. It all started when I was in search for a digital skill as a side also in school. I then came across a write-up about Forex. A friend of mine recommended Ali lessons to me. This training has exposed me to an in-depth knowledge in Forex, various terms like support and resistance level, trend lines and channel, which can be used as an indicator, Fibonacci retracements, the sweet and entry spots in Fibonacci retracements. More so, I learned analyzing of charts from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. The name of the private student group is Students of Forex Beginner Academy. Students are advised to submit lessons for review and to share ideas from other traders. Saad Ali makes everything easy. The lessons are free. It gives in-depth knowledge one needs to know about Forex. He is a great mentor. Thank you.